Hello, the students of class 6 and 7. As per our promise, we are going to upload our study materials from 2nd April onwards. So, our first chapter of mathematics is common for both the classes 6 and 7, the number systems. So, number systems consist of a complex number, real number, and imaginary number. Real number can be further divided into rational and irrational number. Rational number consists of integers, whole number, and natural number. If we see in the form of a Venn diagram, the picture will be like this. And real numbers includes both rational as well as irrational number, positive or negative, large or small, whole numbers or decimal numbers are all real numbers. Examples are given. Imaginary number and number in a complex number that can be written as a real number and multiplied by an imaginary unit I, which is defined by the properties I square is equal to the minus 1. This imaginary number is not a part of your syllabus. 0 is considered to be the both real and imaginary number. Natural number which are used for counting, especially ordinal number, counting number, they are denoted by capital N. 1, 2, 3. All positive integers are natural number. Whole numbers, when 0 is included in natural number, they are known as a whole number. They are also denoted by W. The 0 included with all the natural numbers togetherly called whole number. Integers, all the natural number, especially the positive natural number 0 and negative natural numbers are also called integers, and they are denoted by the letter capital I. That means all 0, 1, 2, 3 and negative numbers are all the part of integers. And here some number systems also written in my own handwriting. You can understand with some examples written over here. You will see here also some odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers. The definitions are given. This is for your reference. You can see this nicely by moving the videos top to bottoms twice or thrice. So regarding the number line, the numbers are right side of the number line, that means right side of the 0 are positive integers and the numbers left side of the zeros are called negative integers. Number systems can be seen in this way, in the form of a Venn diagram. That means natural number and the whole number is all the part of integers, is a part of a rational number as a whole part of a real number. Rational number can be expressed as the quotient of two integers, that means the fractions which are denoted as not 0. And many people are surprised to know that the repeating decimals is also a natural number. Venn diagrams shows these. The examples of all different type of rational, irrational number, including integers, whole number, repeating decimals, and many more. Example of rational number: 5. You can express 5 as 5 by 1, which is in quotient, is also a rational number. Root 9 is also a rational number. 11 bar 0.9, or you can say it is recurring decimal. We can write as the form of a rational number. Irrational number cannot be expressed as the quotient of two integers such that denominator is not 0. Example of irrational number are given in this list. Later I can explain you in a details way. More example of irrational number you can see in this page. Root 2 by 3. Although this number can be expressed in the fractions, we need more than that for the number be rational. The fraction numerators and the denominator must be integers, and root 2 cannot be expressed as the form of integers. Some non-terminating decimals doesn't repeat, so just like pi, it constantly changes and cannot be represented as a quotient of two integers. Decimal number we can express on the right side 10th, 100th, 1000th. The left side, as we know the counting 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10 thousands, 100 thousands and the millions, 10 millions, like that. This is again, once again, for your reference, the set of a real number. Rational number, irrational number. These are the definition of rational and irrational number. Rational number can be expressed in the form of p by q, or p or q are the integers and q not equal to 0. Actually, the rational number is denoted by the capital Q, and irrational number cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Examples are already given, you have seen before. Prime number, the number, all the natural number having only 1 as a common divisor, or you can say the prime number can be divided by the 1 or itself. Examples of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. 2 is the only even prime number. Composite number, the number other than 1 which is not a prime number, is called composite number. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, all these are composite number. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. There are 25 prime numbers in between 1 to 100. Co-prime, when two numbers are co-prime to each other, that means their HCF is 1. Even number, the number which is completely divisible by 2, or even number, example 2, 4, 6 and 8. Odd numbers, the number which are not divisible by 2, left remainder 1, these are all odd number. Consecutive number, that means in a series, if the two numbers have a difference of 1 in between them, then we can say these are consecutive to each other. Some examples related to the number series. Sum of the first n natural number, you can use this formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. Here the value of n is the natural number. See one example, find the sum of first 20 natural number. Here n value is 20. 20 into 20 plus 1, that means 21 by 2. You will get the answer 210. This you can apply. Suppose you have 10 students in your class. Everybody got one chocolate as per their roll number. So roll number 1 got 1 chocolate, roll number 2 got 2 chocolate, roll number 3 got 3 chocolate. So 10 students in your class. So how many chocolates total you have? You can find the answer in this formula. Find the sum of 11 to 20. So this way you can find the sum of 1 to 20. Then you can subtract the sum of 1 to 10. You will get the sum of 11 to 20. Another, the sum of first n old numbers. That is, by using this formula you can find simply n square. The sum of first 10 odd numbers. 10 square means 100. Find the sum of 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 29. What you will get in total? 225. Sum of first n even numbers by using this formula. Though these may not include your syllabus, but as I told you, I am giving you some extra information so to improve your knowledge, to get you a more advanced. Okay, thank you. Go on practicing. Hope you will improve, and wait for my next video.